How to create a Free Fire account step by step. First of all, go ahead and launch your device's App Store or Play Store and install the game onto your device. Once you install it, tap on this play icon to launch the game. Now, once the game is loaded, you will be sent to this login screen. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on this sign in with Facebook option for a quicker access, or simply tap on this more option. You will find sign in with VKID option. Go ahead and tap on this at the top. Now, once this panel is opened from here, you can simply use your Gmail to create an account within the VKID. All you have to do is from here you will find this sign in by phone number option, or simply install the VK application onto your device, then proceed to create an account. Once the account is created, you will be sent back to the game and your account will be opened and you should be able to enjoy the game. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.